Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya Hlazia. Matlala actually appeared again today at Alexander Magistrates Court after he left it to go to High Court, what's a Court, because at the back of his mind he's going to win and he will never win. He will never come out of jail, this guy. Today, if the state does succeed, Bafuna kumcharge with 11 attempted M's unaliving people. 11 guys. I'm just like, this guy must forget about anything or coming out of jail. Abantu behlala next to Thabo Bester. He is supposed to be there for the rest of his life. The way it is. And I know Thabo Bester foot be saying as who associated foot no General Shedrack Joseph as be hey nangumuntu corrupt, criminal, kwayisholo mngwanazi. Matala guys is in so much trouble. He's not coming out anytime soon. On 11 people that accounted for Ket Matlala, kubalwa no Josie Banyoni, businessman, and no DJ Vetis. Oh, I'm like, yes. And DJ Vetis died after he was fighting for his life. Hey, guys, I want this not the RUGS. When you cross people, like I said on another video yesterday, we don't know DJ somebody. They're not saints though. You know, Benoventis, whatever happened, they crossed somebody here on this RUGS situations. It's like in the movies, and you see those cartels that you see, or the cartels that ones that you see, kuma Mexicans in Teganjalo, guys. That time case Ket Matlala is coming back again in December. They didn't tell us the date, and again the trial will actually start on once the state wins, or they pull through this thing. 11 charges on him. They're coming back on the 29th of January again for the trial. Ngapha noKatiso was in the same court, but kuqale brothers lo uVusumuzi Ket Matlala, and then uKatiso was also there. I don't know what's going on. Before I forget, naba ke sebebambana ke ngezandla uTsakani inkosikazi Ket Matlala no Ket Matlala. I'm just like umjolo isithandwa uzobolela ejele when you are definitely going to rot in jail.